It's not Black Friday, it is Base Friday, and I have been hunting down the best subwoofer deals for you. We're going to start with Down for Sound. The big news subwoofer-wise on the Down for Sound website is all of the Sundown Audio subwoofers are on sale. Everything. And that includes these M-Series subwoofers that were just released. They look amazing. I'm excited to hear them. I did some digging around on the website, and I found you a diamond in the rough. Here is probably the best deal on the website right now. It's a Sundown Audio E-Series subwoofer. This is the V3, so it's an older version. The new one is the V4, and it is $140. And that, my friends, is a bargain. While we're on the Down for Sound website, let's talk about what else they've got. Other big news on the Down for Sound website is all of the Down for Sound branded speakers, subwoofers, and amplifiers are on sale. Again, deeply discounted for Black Friday. Black Friday is when Down for Sound runs their biggest deals. So if you want any Down for Sound product, get it now. It's unlikely you'll see prices this low anytime between now and next Black Friday. This includes their new TCX subwoofers. These are the big beefy 2700 watt subwoofers. I've got the smaller version. I've got the DVX. Love it. Great subwoofer. And of course, Down for Sound's really good deals are on the amplifiers. Their JP series amps are some of the best bang for the buck out there. And all of those amplifiers are deeply discounted, including they just released this monster here, the Team 15K. 15,000 watts for $2,000. I don't do big systems like that, so my personal favorite is the JP23. I've got one of these, been running it for several years. I've enjoyed it immensely. Now on the amplifier side, the diamond in the rough is the JP8. Here's the JP8 version 1.5, $120 for an amp that is rated 800 watts, but has been well documented to do well over 800 watts. You need a subwoofer box. All of the flat packs are on sale on the Down for Sound website. I got a video. I'll put it right up here where I built one of their flat packs. Now the diamond in the rough on the flat packs is this one right here, the triple 10-inch subwoofer box. Grab 3 10-inch subwoofers and drop them in and you've got a deal. Moving over to Sparked Innovations, where the diamond in the rough on the Sparked Innovations website is the 18-inch Web Blaster. You can get the 18-inch Web Blaster right now for less than the 12-inch, not Web Blaster, Bass Blaster. It's not Spider-Man. What the hell, man? Come on. You can get the 18-inch Bass Blaster for less than the 12-inch Bass Blaster because they're running deep discounts on their own branded products. I've got a discount code for Sparked Innovations. I'll be sure to give you the discount code right below the video. The issue with that discount code is I have no idea if it will stack with the deals that are there now. So if you order anything from Sparked Innovations and use my discount code, let me know if it's stacked or not because I'm kind of curious. Sparked Innovations is also a Prodigy dealer and a Sundown Audio dealer, and they are running discounts on the Sundown products and select Resilient Sounds and Prodigy products as well. Again, go check them out and try that discount code, see if it works. Let's talk Crutchfield. The big news on Crutchfield is pretty much everything Kicker is on sale over on Crutchfield. I'll give you a link to all the Kicker items that are on sale. Like this right here, this is the 12 downfiring with the passive radiator. This right here is one of those diamonds in the rough. It's an MTX Audio Dual 12 bass package, so this comes with a 500 watt amplifier. You've got a kid who wants a subwoofer for Christmas. This is what you want to go for right here. You just need a wire kit and a way to get signal to the amplifier and you're off and running. JL Audio is running a sale on the W6 V3 subwoofer. These things never go on sale. And here's the W7 AE, which is also on sale. These things usually go for $1,200, $240 off on the legendary JL Audio 10W7AE. There you go. Next up on the list is Sky High. That's Sky High Car Audio, and they are running some really wild Black Friday sales. They stock DC Audio. Here's a DC Audio 6.5 for $118. Here's a DC Audio Level 112 for $120. It's a $200 subwoofer. That's $80 off. Sky High also owns the SoundCube brand, so they've got one here that is half off. They've got this really cool component set, normally $600. They've got it marked down to $240, so that's a pretty big discount. Here is one of DD Audio's big bad 800 series subwoofers, usually $900, now $540. Sky High, of course, has their own brand of subwoofers. They've got subwoofers for every power rating and price range that a person might want. Right here is the diamond in the rough. This is their FXB series 18-inch subwoofer for $320. That's a good deal on a big subwoofer. I've got a discount code with Sky High as well. I have no idea if that discount discount code is going to stack with these great deals. I'm kind of curious to see if they do or not. So if you head over to Sky High and punch in that discount code, tell me if it worked. And if you're looking for even more Black Friday deals, I've got some for you right up here.